Today's top news, 4th March. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to ensure protection of country's forests and safe habitats for animals. BJP's win in Gujarat local body polls is very encouraging, said Prakash Javadekar. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar on Wednesday said that BJP's win in Gujarat local body polls is very encouraging. He added that Congress was wiped out in the election as it won only 1 out of 81 municipalities. In 2015, Congress won 22 Zilla Panchayats while BJP won 9. But this time we won all 31 Zilla Panchayats, Prakash Javadekar added. Delhi Municipal Corporation only spread trash under BJP, CM after bipoll win. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday said that Aam Aadmi Party's win in 4 of 5 seats in Municipal Corporation of Delhi by polls shows that people want good work in MCD too. People turned MCD into the most corrupt department, they only spread trash, he alleged. BJP 0 seats show that people are upset with them, Kejriwal added. PSL 2021 postponed with immediate effect after 7 COVID-19 cases in the competition. The ongoing season of PSL 2021 had been postponed with immediate effect due to the outbreak of COVID-19. The decision was made after 7 cases was reported in the competition, which had started from February 20th. Pandemic amplified using the digital payment services. Paytm founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma has said that the ongoing pandemic has amplified the usage of digital payment services. Paying using smartphones is a mainstream product, he added. Maharashtra Deputy CM orders probe in tree plantation drive of Fadnavis government. Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar on Wednesday ordered to constitute a committee to probe the tree plantation drive of the previous Devendra Fadnavis government. India reports highest COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours since Jan 29th. India recorded 17,407 new COVID-19 cases and 89 deaths in last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry. This is India's highest one-day spike of new COVID-19 cases since Jan 29th. Rising COVID-19 cases in Mumbai, the police took action against 58,000 people who were found without mask in public places in last 13 days. Police have collected a fine of rupees 1.16 crores so far. Uttar Pradesh Manya Singh, who was crowned as Miss India 2020 runner-up, said that no one ever complimented her on any front. She added, however, I always complimented myself. I would look into the mirror, smile and feel beautiful. I was all alone till I stepped onto the stage. I did my makeup, hair and every other tidbit. Thank you, and that's all for today.